voice. Ooh. Sing T-Pain, okay? What's up, y'all? Hope y'all are well out there. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this blessed by the best studio, the Jaren M. LaGreer Studio. I did a TikTok on this video last night, and I thought to myself after I did a TikTok, like, I need to go ahead and do a full video on this because he has some great moments in this. I mean, the whole song and the whole show is really good. So I will behoove you to go watch his concert on YouTube, and I'm gonna tag it in the description below. But particularly this song was great too, but like I said, the whole concert was great. So before I get to it, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe down below, then hit the alert button next week so you know when the next video like this will be posted. And also, since you're here, give this a thumbs up and a like, please, so we can get this out to more people, okay? So anyway, let's do it, y'all. Here is my own voice analysis of T-Pain singing Tennessee Whiskey.
I used to spend my nights in a ballroom. Liquor was the only love I've known.
He is walking us through this song, okay? He is taking his time, and I am here for it, okay? I think being able to let a song breathe is such an art that a lot of people, including myself, sometimes forget that we could just let the song sit and let the spaces happen. Let the song breathe. Just let it be. You don't have to fill up every moment with a run or a riff or a long note. Tell the story with the song. He's doing just that in his own way, and I love hearing that in his voice. Another thing that stuck out to me was the vowels on was and love. Liquor was the only love. Liquor was the only love. So the tongue's a little bit flatter. Liquor was, you see, was the only love. The tongue's a little bit flatter. The jaw is kinda dropped. I wouldn't necessarily say dropped, more so just kinda lowered. Liquor was the only love right there. And also how he shaped his mouth really helps that vowel be that much more warm instead of liquor was, liquor was. So it's kind of more neutralized. Maybe a little bit of roundness, but way more neutralized and kind of run-of-the-mill, middle of the road in terms of shape. Liquor was the only love that I know. Kind of like that.
But you rescued me from reaching for
But you rescued me. Had a little grit right there, and I rescued. And he kind of threw his voice. But you rescued me. You see what I'm saying? He kind of threw his voice up there, brought a little air pressure, a little grit, a little push, a little compression. But you rescued me right there. And then on that last word, he almost had a glottal stop in the middle of that word. It was like ba-om, ba-om, instead of bottom, ba-om. And I think the word is bottom. Ba-om. And then sing to the nasal consonant right there. Ba-um. With that little run right there. You see what I'm doing right there? Instead of bottom, he replaced the T of bottom with the glottal stop. Instead of bottom, it was ba-um. So you see the difference there? I took the T out and put a glottal stop in the middle of that word right there.
And brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey.
I feel like he did the same glottal stop on whiskey. Whiskey, 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 or the K was very small there. Whiskey, kind of like that. So he kind of brought that glottal stop back in instead of the K consonant or that K sound. He said whiskey, 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 whiskey. Or like I said, the K was very soft there, very soft.
You're as sweet as strawberry wine.
You see how he opened up the vowel? You're as a whoa, whoa, whoa. He changed the shape of the vowel to fit the finesse or the movement of that run right there. You're as a whoa. I can't remember the run he did, but he did something like that where he moved his mouth like that. He moved the shape of the vowel to fit the finesse of the run therein.
Honey, I stay strong, all your loving, all the time.
These background singers are singing. Yes, I love the texture of the background vocalists. They kind of give me like gospel choir vibes a little bit, or like a big praise team, you know, but how they're moving and how they're kind of harmonizing with each other. It's a nice touch to this song. Nice touch.
Baby, I've looked for love in all the wrong places.
He did the same vowel again. I look for love instead of I look for love. All of love. And dare I say there's a little nasality in there. Maybe a little soft palate dropping. All of love. Almost a little, I guess, a little country in there. Yeah.
And I found the bottom is always dry.
That move, and I found whatever he did right there. That was nice. How he played with the chord progression coming down. Now he kind of came right there a little bit wherever I'm going. I don't know what the note is, but you see what I'm saying? He played with the chord progression as the chords went down that way. Musically, he brought his voice down to fit in the shape of the chord right there. That was a nice move. And he repeated that run at the beginning. Found. And then came back down right there.
Oh, 'cause when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like.
But when you poured out your heart, it's almost like he got super bright as he walked up. It was kind of darker, more round at the bottom. But when you poured out your heart, and then kind of got more brighter, more forward, if you will, as he went up higher in the voice. Yeah, he is walking this song. He is walking this song, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I just like how he's pacing it like a story. You know, he's pacing it like he's telling a story. I mean, he really is. I mean, the song is kind of like narrative, if you will. And he's pacing it like that. I think that is a cool artistic move that singers can do to help convey the point or the plot, you know, of a song. The context, the content, the lyrics of a song.
Your loving keeps me high. You're smooth.
You're smooth. Sing T-Pain, okay? But you know what? Some of these moves is low-key, and of course I'm gonna say this because it's me, but some of these moves is real churchy. You're smooth. Like how he's moving, how he's pacing it. This gave me a little church, a little bit like a little churchy sound, a little quartet. Come on.
Tennessee whiskey.
Yeah, walk it up. Yes, sir. He said that E-vowel. And it kind of came up. Whatever he did right there. So he stayed on the E-vowel on whiskey. And then walked that vowel up and kind of hit it. Kind of like an arpeggio. Whatever he did. With a little like soft glottal stops along the way.
You're a sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy.
And when he does that, you're as warm. Not only is his mouth open, but you can physically see his torso and supportive muscles engaging more to hit that. He's really engaging those breathing muscles to help support what's going on. He's not pushing necessarily. Like, I'm not saying he's pushing. You can just see an increase in engagement as he's breathing and using that air pressure to hit that note to kind of give that grit and that thickness up there.
Honey, I stay strong.
he said you, he's really performing you, and then he kind of brought that grit on that top you as he threw the voice up there again. So it's you. It's kind of like that longing or that kind of epiphany, but you, right there, yeah.
You should just stay clear of me. I'm a lost cause. You're so strong, but I left you on your own. So wrong.
Some more glottal pops as he kind of does more arpeggios.
Cause all the times I said I'd quit for you just doesn't matter with all the shit that I did to you. If I had 3 wishes, baby, I would wish for you.
And you notice the vowels in the articulation. It's a little bit more straight, a little bit more kind of like skinny but spread. Another times I'm with you. You see, so it's not and there's not a lot of vibrato happening during the lines either, so he's really playing with the texture and the shape of his vocal tract, specifically his mouth and articulators, to really give this sound the shape that he wants.
Give me one more chance. And all of the times I said I'm done with this, that's when that same old shit got done again.
And all the times he's kind of going through those diphthongs. Times instead of times it's times so he's jumping to the second part of the diphthong quicker for the sake of the finesse of the line. Yeah.
I would just take your heart and run with it. That's not romance, but you know you're a smooth Tennessee whiskey. Oh, baby, you're a sweet, sweet strawberry wine. You're a soul in a glass of brandy. Hey, hey, hey. I stay strong on your loving arms. Oh, oh, oh,
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below, then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted, and give this video a like while you're at it. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you soon.